Understanding one-piece flow in lean manufacturing. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of lean manufacturing by exploring the concept of one-piece flow. This term might sound technical, but we'll break it down together, making it easy and enjoyable to learn. Let's get started. One-piece flow is a process in lean manufacturing where products are made one at a time. This method contrasts with traditional mass production, where many items are made simultaneously. The key idea behind one-piece flow is efficiency and quality. By focusing on one product at a time, workers can identify and fix problems more quickly, leading to fewer defects and less waste. One-piece flow offers several benefits, making it a popular choice in various industries. It reduces the time taken to produce an item, as there is less waiting time between steps. It also improves quality, as each piece gets more attention. This method can lead to a safer workplace, as workers are less likely to rush and make mistakes. Plus, it's more flexible. Changes can be made quickly and easily. Implementing one-piece flow can be challenging. It requires a change in mindset from traditional batch production. Workers need to be trained in multiple skills, as they might be handling different tasks. There's also a need for effective communication between team members to ensure smooth transitions between stages. Let's look at some real-world examples. Many car manufacturers use one-piece flow to ensure each vehicle meets high-quality standards. Similarly, in electronics manufacturing, this method helps in producing complex gadgets with precision and care. That's all about one-piece flow. It's a fascinating concept that shows how focusing on one thing at a time can lead to better results. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your journey to learn English and understand new concepts. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.